Welcome the Monday's news headlines.
Pope urges humanitarian law compliance in call, with Palestinian President Pope Leo emphasized the urgent need to respect international humanitarian law during a Friday phone call with Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas. The pontiff called for protection of civilians and sacred sites, rejection of forced population transfers, and unrestricted humanitarian aid access to Gaza, West Bank. He cited the tragic humanitarian situation while marking the 10th anniversary of the Holy See-Palestine diplomatic agreement. The appeal follows similar ceasefire talks with Israel's PM earlier this week.
The U.S. will restrict visas for Brazilian Supreme Court justices and their families, Secretary of State Marco Rubio announced Friday. He accused Justice Alexandre de Moraes of orchestrating a political witch hunt against ex-President Jair Bolsonaro and violating Brazilians' rights. President Lula da Silva condemned the move as arbitrary and a breach of sovereignty.
Doctors Without Borders reports that relentless violence by Israeli settlers and soldiers in the occupied West Bank is causing severe psychological trauma among Palestinians. The agency states over 85% of homes are demolished in some villages, alongside daily assaults, blocked roads, and destroyed clinics, mosques.
Ukraine has proposed fresh peace talks with Russia following the deadliest month for civilians since February 2022, with 232 killed in June. President Zelensky reiterated his readiness to meet Putin, urging momentum for lasting peace. The appeal comes as Russia launched major aerial assaults on July 21st, killing 2 and wounding 15 in Kyiv. French Foreign Minister Barrot visited the attack sites during a solidarity trip to Ukraine. Russia has not yet accepted the new negotiation offer.
The EU will condition development aid to African nations on their cooperation with migrant returns and border enforcement, drawing sharp criticism as a coercive and neo-colonial tactic. African experts warn it weaponizes aid, ignores migration's root causes, poverty, conflict, and treats states as border guards.